Countries and new defense investments. America, B-21 Raider stealth bomber. The B-21 Raider is a next-generation strategic, long-range, low-observable bomber. It is capable of striking targets at very long ranges and conducting both nuclear and conventional missions. It is designed for low observability and integration with modern sensors. It was developed to replace older platforms like the B-2, to penetrate evolving Chinese and Russian air defenses, and to provide strategic flexibility for the 21st century. Various reports estimate unit costs in the $668 to $730 million range. Discounted program costs over 30 years have been estimated at roughly $100 billion. Columbia-class, next-generation ballistic missile nuclear submarines, SSBNs. The Columbia-class is the United States' next-generation nuclear ballistic missile submarine designed to replace the Ohio-class. It is designed to stay at sea for long periods, carry a large number of ballistic missiles, and be difficult to detect. It was developed to modernize the aging Ohio-class and to sustain sea-based deterrence. The estimated procurement of a build cost for a 12-boat program is $120 to $132 billion. The first boat's cost alone has been reported at around $10 billion. Russia. RS-28 Sarmat, intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM. The RS-28 Sarmat is Russia's heavy-class intercontinental ballistic missile. It boasts high payload capacity, long range, and, according to some claims, advanced boost phase/post-boost maneuvering capabilities, giving it significant destructive potential. It was developed to strengthen nuclear deterrence and to modernize strategic forces. Official cost figures are generally classified. Development and deployment costs are estimated to be on the order of billions of dollars. Russia. Zircon, hypersonic cruise strike missile. Zircon is a sea-launched hypersonic cruise attack missile. It is intended to travel at hypersonic speeds to defeat current air and naval defenses. It was developed to create a strike capability that is difficult to defend against. Unit and program costs are typically classified. Development costs are estimated in the millions to billions of dollars range. China. DF-41, intercontinental ballistic missile. The DF-41 is China's long-range land-based intercontinental ballistic missile. It can carry multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs, and offers extensive range. Mobile variants make detection more difficult. It was developed to enhance deterrence and maintain strategic balance. Costs are funded as a state program, and detailed figures are not publicly available. China. DF-17, DFZF, hypersonic glide vehicle/medium range. The DF-17 and DFZF are systems that carry hypersonic glide vehicles. With high speed and maneuverability, they are intended to defeat advanced air defenses and pose medium to long-range threats. They were developed to challenge modern air defenses and strengthen deterrence. Most cost information is not publicly available. These systems are financed through state budgets and defense industry resources. United Kingdom. Dreadnought Program, nuclear submarines. The Dreadnought Program is the United Kingdom's project to renew its Trident-carrying nuclear submarines. The new SSBNs are being designed to sustain the UK's sea-based nuclear deterrent. The program is carried out to extend the life of the Trident deterrent and preserve strategic independence. Program cost estimates vary. Parliamentary research and Ministry of Defense reports indicate lifetime costs in the tens of billions of pounds. Some estimates place the program above £31 billion. Broader assumptions suggest figures approaching £100 billion over multi-decade periods. France. SNLE-NG, Next Generation Strategic Submarines. SNLE-NG is France's next-generation nuclear submarine program. Its goal is to produce submarines with modern sensors and launch capabilities to ensure the sea leg of national nuclear deterrence. It was developed to maintain strategic autonomy and to replace aging platforms. Estimated costs are projected to be in the tens of billions of euros for 4 submarines. Program totals and unit costs vary by year. India. Agni-V, long-range ballistic missile, ICBM-like. Agni-V is one of India's long-range land-based ballistic missiles. With its extended range, it can reach regional and beyond regional targets and was developed to strengthen deterrence. Costs are financed from the state budget. Total program costs are estimated in the billions of dollars. India. INS Arihant, nuclear submarine, SSBN. INS Arihant is part of India's indigenous nuclear submarine, SSBN program. The submarine carries nuclear-tipped missiles to provide a second strike capability and deterrence. It was developed to support regional balance and strategic autonomy. Development and construction costs have been high. The program has required significant state investment. Iron Dome, Aridin, Israel. Short-range rocket defense system. Iron Dome is an air defense system designed to intercept short short-range rockets, mortars, and artillery shells. It quickly computes incoming projectile trajectories and discriminates which threats will hit populated areas, intercepting those while ignoring harmless impacts. It has proven operationally effective. It was developed to protect civilians and critical infrastructure. Sources report interceptor costs in the $40,000 to $150,000 range. Battery installation and operating costs run into the millions of dollars. Arrow-3, Israel, high-altitude/exo-atmospheric missile defense. Arrow-3 is designed to intercept ballistic missiles at high altitude or outside the atmosphere. It aims to neutralize incoming ballistic threats at high altitude. It was developed to provide a layered defense against regional ballistic threats. Interceptor and system costs are in the millions of dollars range. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey, Armed Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, UAV. The Bayraktar TB2 is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle capable of advanced surveillance and carrying small precision munitions. It provides cost-effective field intelligence, target acquisition, and precision strike capabilities. Its effective use has been reported in multiple conflicts. It was developed to provide indigenous capability at an affordable cost and to offer battlefield flexibility. Unit costs depend on configuration and support infrastructure and are reported at approximately $4 to $6 million.